Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to install YouTube app for laptop in Windows 10 or 11 Easy Guide. So if you've noticed onto your Microsoft Store or onto the store of your PC on your Windows 10 or 11, then you should not be able to see the YouTube app in there, or you won't be able to find it there. So for us to be able to go ahead and install the YouTube app onto your laptop or onto your PC, this is the right guide that you could go ahead and follow along to go ahead and install it on your end. So the first thing that we need to do is to go ahead and head first onto the youtube.com onto your default browser, or you could choose any browser that you like. So just search in the youtube.com there so that you'll get redirected here onto the screen. Right after here on Google Chrome, you should be able to find an icon just like this. So this is an installation icon wherein you could go ahead and install YouTube. So just go ahead and click onto that and click onto install, and this should go ahead and install youtube.com onto your PC. So you'll just have to wait for that one. And right after you have installed it, it should go ahead and automatically open YouTube in here just like this. And if you go ahead and close this window out, and also this one, you should be able to see a shortcut of YouTube icon in here. And that is just how easy you could go ahead and install YouTube onto your Windows 10 or 11. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.